Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Alisa, 28 years old, a senior high school graduate. I have 3 children, age 11, 6, and 3 years old, all boys. I am a single mother. My work experience here in the Philippines last 2019 to 2022 was family member of 4. I am solo here, all around inside the house. I do cooking, cleaning, laundry, marketing, and taking care of 1 kid, age 3 years old. We're together with our parents of the kid and also her grandma, age 60 years old. I help her becomes here eating and bath time. My second employer is family of 3. I am also a solo helper. All around, also taking care of toddler, 2 years old, and we're together with his parents. Also, I'm taking care sometimes of their dog. Like my first employer, I do also the same. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, marketing. If I am chosen to be your helper, or nanny, I will do my best and love my job. I will take care of your family. Thank you, ma'am and sir.